Maybe you can talk us through the process about how the design came about.
The hacking or the upgrading that you can do, which I think we took from really technology companies. If you think of telephones, for instance, where you've got this object which has a few functions, but you can buy more functions to add. People live in smaller and smaller spaces, and their furniture has to work a lot harder. You know, if you're living in a constrained apartment, right? You know, my thing has always been trying to give something longer life. So that's really the idea behind this one, is that you don't dispose of it, you just repurpose it.